You want to make some money, you want to start your first business while you're still in high school or university. Guys, it's all possible. My name is Miro Salim. I'm 20 years old, and 1 year ago I wanted to start my first business, but everybody kept telling me don't do it, and I did it. So ever since then, I've had clients paying me everything from $1,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 to my marketing agency. I've traveled to Dubai. I've gotten my first apartment. Guys, I'm not saying it's easy. I'm saying it's hard, but it's possible. Average skill, phenomenal will. It's all about you taking action. So I've created this YouTube series for you guys to go through. So basically I'm giving you step A to Z all for free on how you can start to make money online and start your first business as a student. All right. So it's all about taking massive action, getting the right information, consuming it and applying it. So check out this whole YouTube series and I promise you, you will be fully equipped to start your first business. Don't forget to subscribe and I see you on the other side, guys. Peace out.